Number 9 then, from paper 2 of the 2025 Advanced Higher Maths. There we go, acceleration and velocity. Relative to a fixed origin, the velocity v meters per second of an object at a time t seconds is given by this. That's its velocity. You have to find its displacement, s, given the initial conditions that it starts at the beginning. T equals 0, s equals 0. At the start, the displacement is 0. Well, the connection is v is equal to ds by dt, the rate of change of displacement. So that's what's equal to 2t plus e to the 5t, which means taking that across, I'll just put this down. So the integral of ds is the integral of 2t plus e to the 5t dt. So that's just s. So s will be up to 2 divide by 2, stay the same, but divide by the fifth, plus a constant. Now, this part here says, when t is 0, s is 0. 0 equals 0 plus, and power 0 just means it's a 1, so plus a fifth, plus c. So you've got c equals negative a fifth. So here you are. S is t squared plus 1/5 of e to the 5t minus a fifth. Now part B says, show that the acceleration of the object is always positive. Well, the acceleration is the rate of change of the velocity. And the rate of change of the velocity is just going to be 2 plus, differentiating that, 5e to the 5t. Well, there you go. That value is always greater than 2. A is always greater than 2 since e to the 5t is always greater than 0 for all t. And a being greater than 2 is effectively the same as, which means a is always positive. There we go. That part there, that's because the graph of e to the whatever looks like this. It's an asymptote to the x-axis.